I want to show you an example of one of the trades that we made in True Trading Group. This one is my trade, which was a swing trade on Palantir. And that Palantir position was good for a 100% gain for members today. Some actually over 100%, depending on when they got into the position. Because yesterday, I alerted to members that I was entering a swing trade on Palantir. And I told members, I buy the equity, but I always give people an option contract. If you want to follow me on the trade, I give you an option contract you can follow. And I alerted members to the November 24th expiration, $19 strike call option at the time of the entry. That call option was anywhere between 55 cents and like 62 cents. Okay, so when I asked members, hey, what price did you guys get filled at? Some people got 54, 56, 58, 60. Just so in that range is where people entered the position. Those contracts went to $1.22 today. So even if you got it in at 60 cents, you're still over 100% gain on the option price today at $1.22, 60 cents yesterday, 55 cents yesterday. You were over 100% gain. But I did a live stream and I've been talking about Palantir all week. I literally, from the beginning of the week, I've been doing live streams. I've been talking about setups that I'm seeing. I've been talking about trade ideas. And I told you guys, okay, a couple days ago, I told you that I'm looking to buy Palantir. I'm looking for Palantir to hold the 18.25 level as support. We broke above a major resistance level. And I want to go here and I want to just take a look here at the Palantir chart. So here's our Palantir chart. There's one thing I want to show you quickly is this previous level of resistance. We broke above it on really good earnings. On this day, we broke above it. And then on the next day, it became support. Once the stock established this support level, I did a live stream 3 days ago, and I told you that I'm going to be buying Palantir around this 18.25 level for it to hold support. And I'm looking for the stock to get to $20. During that live stream, I drew for you a couple of candles. Right on my chart, I drew candles for you to say exactly the price action that I thought Palantir was going to make. This is an example of a trade that you could have made 100% on or more just from being on a live stream and following the analysis that I was providing. Never mind actually being inside of chat and getting all the trade alerts from Glenny, AMD, 353%, Uni, SOXL, 150%, Uni, Apple, 152%, Uni, Palantir, 121%, myself, Palantir, 100%, myself, Tesla, 105%. And then Shy, Nike, 110%. I'm not even talking about those. But this trade I'm about to show you is something you could have capitalized on just from being on YouTube. So this is a video clip. I grabbed it for you. I can, instead of you going back and making you watch it on your own. I grabbed a video clip from earlier in the week when I gave you my analysis and my expectations and my predictions for Palantir. Let's go ahead and play that clip. What I would like to go over with you right now is what I actually think you're going to see from Palantir in the coming days. I am looking for this 18.25 area to stay as support. I'm looking for it to stay as support, right? You see that we have this previous resistance level right here in the beginning of October, and then you had earnings. The earnings gap up took you through that resistance level. And then yesterday, it acted as a level of support. What I'm looking for from Palantir, and I think it's going to take a couple of days. I'm still swinging one of the contracts still in that position, depending on your expiration. I still think that I'm looking at this thing for potential longs. I actually think that Palantir is going to get up to this level, this $20 area, but I think it's just going to take time. I don't think it's going to get there tomorrow. I don't think it's going to get there actually even on Thursday. I don't think it's going to even get there this week. But I do believe that as you go into the deeper part, the second half of November, I actually think Palantir is going to make a move up there and test this $20 level. So what I am looking for on Palantir is I'm watching for any pullbacks down towards 18.25. I'm looking for those areas to be support. I want to see the stock hold above that area because if it does, let's say you get maybe a pullback, maybe it looks like this, we pull back into that level, then that level holds and you get this kind of, candle formation, almost puts in a little bit of a flag pattern. And then you can start to then climb and make that move and get up there towards 20. But that is my target. My target is going to be up here around $20. I want you to look at the chart that you now see in front of you. And I want you to compare that to the candles that I drew for you on that live stream 3 days ago. It is exactly the candles that I drew. This is how members capitalize on a triple digit gain right here. I said I'm looking for pullbacks to that 18.25. Let's see. Anyone want to guess the low of the day on Wednesday? 18.15. You want to guess the low of the day yesterday? 18.16. And then today the markets open up and just absolutely explode. I won many trades on the live stream. That's why I joined. Now I'm even more profitable for my boy Bert. Bert, you've been an absolute pleasure of a member in addition to the TTG family, brother. I hope you are doing well, sir. But there you guys have it. And I said, maybe we'll look to form a little bit of a flag pattern. And that's exactly what happened. Here's your flag, right? Here's your flag pattern. There it is. And then there's the breakout of the flag. And then here we go, right up into my target, which is $20. I'm still long this position. We took profit off twice today. But I'm still long it. I'm looking for on Monday or Tuesday, I'm looking to be selling shares above $20. What you can do now is look for the $19 level to become support. All right. So if you get any pullback, look for $19 area to be support. And then I'm looking for, like I said, $20, 20, 25, right up in there is where my next profit's going to be coming off the table. But I plan on selling shares next week above $20. You heard me say it there on the live stream a couple days ago. I said I think it's going to take time to get to 20, but my goodness, we are well on our way as we went all the way to $19.75 today for your high of the day. Your high of the day today is 1972 is your high of the day today. I actually took profits at 1969, almost top ticked it by a couple of pennies, 3 cents off the high of the day. But I'm still long some, and I'm still thinking that we're going to get up to over $20